the online gold rush. Are you in? Want to learn the secrets to making money online in 2024? The digital landscape is brimming with potential, and the opportunities are endless. You're in the right place. The internet has exploded with opportunities. From freelancing to e commerce, the possibilities are vast and varied. It's like a modern day gold rush. But instead of pickaxes and pans, we're using laptops and smartphones. But just like the gold rush, it takes hard work and strategy to strike it rich. You need to be smart, dedicated, and ready to put in the effort. Are you ready to grab your pickaxe and join the digital prospectors? It's a journey that requires persistence and a clear plan. This isn't about get rich quick schemes, those are fool's gold. Real success comes from building something meaningful and lasting. This is about building real sustainable income streams. It's about creating long term revenue sources that can provide financial stability. We're talking about leveraging your skills, passion, and a little bit of hustle to create financial freedom. Whether it's through content creation, digital marketing, or online courses, the potential is there. So remember, adapting to new trends and staying persistent are key. Are you ready to discover the top online money making method for 2024? Let's dive in and explore the best strategies to make money online this year. The digital frontier, opportunities and obstacles. The digital landscape is a dynamic and ever changing frontier. New platforms, technologies, and trends emerge constantly. This creates incredible opportunities for those willing to adapt and innovate. Imagine reaching a global audience with your unique skills or selling products without a physical storefront. The possibilities are limitless. However, this digital frontier also presents challenges. Competition is fierce, and standing out from the crowd requires creativity and persistence. You need to be willing to learn new skills, adapt to algorithm changes, and constantly refine your strategies. But don't worry, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate these hurdles and thrive in the online world. Debunking the myths. Online earning realities. Let's address the elephant in the room. Making money online isn't about clicking a few buttons and watching the cash roll in. Those passive income gurus selling you a dream? They are often selling illusions. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of dedication. Don't expect overnight riches. Be wary of schemes promising unrealistic returns. Success online, just like in the offline world, requires hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But here's the good news. With the right approach and a healthy dose of realism, you can achieve financial independence online. Charting your course. Navigating the money-making landscape. So what are the best ways to make money online in 2024? The digital age has opened up a plethora of opportunities. The good news is there are more options than ever before. From freelancing to e-commerce, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech whiz, or a creative soul, there's a path for you. Your unique skills can be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's explore some popular and lucrative avenues, starting with freelancing. Offer your skills as a writer, editor, graphic designer, web developer, or virtual assistant. The demand for these services is ever growing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. These platforms provide a space to showcase your talents and build a portfolio. Launch your online store and sell physical or digital products. E-commerce is booming, and it's easier than ever to get started. Shopify and Etsy make it easier than ever to set up shop and reach customers globally. These platforms handle the technical aspects so you can focus on your products. Help businesses thrive online through social media, marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and content creation. These skills are in high demand as companies look to enhance their online presence and reach a broader audience. Section 5. The secret sauce. Mastering the art of niche expertise. This is where the magic happens. Here's the key to standing out in the crowded online marketplace. Become an expert in a specific niche. It's not just about knowing a lot, but about knowing more than anyone else in your chosen field. Don't try to be everything to everyone. This dilutes your brand and confuses your audience. Instead, focus your efforts on a particular area where you have passion and expertise. Passion fuels persistence, and expertise builds trust. This could be anything from sustainable living to vintage video games to dog grooming. The more specific, the better. By specializing, you become the go-to person for your chosen audience. People will seek you out for your unique knowledge and skills. You build authority, credibility, and a loyal following. Your audience will trust your recommendations and value your insights. This allows you to command premium prices for your products or services. People are willing to pay more for expertise and quality. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond, where your influence is significant and your presence is felt, than a small fish in a vast ocean where you might get lost in the crowd. Focus, specialize, and thrive. Section 6. Riding the wave. Adaptability as your compass. The online world is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Algorithms change, new platforms emerge, and audience preferences shift. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to be adaptable. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay informed about industry trends. Experiment with new strategies. Don't be afraid to pivot your approach if something isn't working. By being flexible and adaptable, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-changing tides of the online world. Section 7. The persistence payoff. Embracing the long game. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But here's the thing. The most successful online entrepreneurs are the ones who persevere. Stay committed to your goals. Be patient with the process. Learn from your mistakes. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the long game, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Section 8. Ready to dive in? Your journey starts now. Congratulations! You've now uncovered the secrets to making money online in 2024. You understand the challenges and opportunities, the importance of niche expertise, and the power of adaptability. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this information go to waste. Choose your path, whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or digital marketing. Start small, stay focused, and never stop learning. The online world is your oyster. This is just the beginning. There's a wealth of information and resources available to help you succeed. For more in-depth tips, strategies, and guidance, subscribe to my channel, and let's embark on this exciting journey together.